You can enhance the appearance of a table by applying a variety of border and shading style to add border and shading. First, select the entire table by clicking on the table, move handle, then go on the layout tab. In layout tab, go for the properties option. In properties option, when you click on the properties option, a dialog box will open. Click on the table and there is the option of border and shading. When you click on it, then there is the option of borders. From here you can apply the border. There are so many options of border, so you can apply any of them, and you can choose it and then select it. You can also choose the thickness of that, then color, and then the width of the border. So you can choose any color, you can choose any width to applying the border to the table. Like here we are choosing the width 1 and 1/2 point. Then in the previous section you can see the appearance of that border, and then go to the shading option. In shading option, choose any color. By default it will no color, then you can choose any other color. And then in the patterns you can also choose the other patterns like solid, 5%, 20%, and in color option you can choose any color according to you. Okay, now click on the OK button. When you click on the OK button, again click on the OK button, the border is applied, border and shading is applied to your table.